Hello everyone and welcome to this new course. In this course, we will go over the entire process of creating a stylized landscape environment. With the help of this course, you can massively increase your skills in stylized environment art as we go through multiple different aspects of it together, like creating stylized grass, trees, rocks, and much more. We will mainly use only two pieces of software, Unreal Engine 5 and Blender, with a little bit of Substance Painter to texture a couple of assets. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know to create the final results that you see in the course images and trailer. With the help of that, you can create your very own beautiful stylized environments. This course has 7 hours of content and all the required files such as the alphas, textures, blender files, etc. will be provided with the course including the Unreal project. We will go over every step in this course together and nothing will be skipped. The course does not have any kind of time lapse so you can follow every step easily. The course is mainly divided into 5 sections as we step by step create this beautiful looking stylized landscape, starting with setting up the landscape material and stylized grass in section 1. Section 2 will cover the process of creating stylized foliage, following up with modeling and texturing stylized rocks in section 3. In section 4, we will learn to create clouds for our scene, creating various different variations of them, and finally ending the course with learning to create fluffy looking stylized trees. We will finish the course by taking some high resolution portfolio screenshots along with some camera animations. This course is perfect for everyone who wants to learn about environment art and especially get started in the world of stylized art. This course is for people of all levels and everything on this course will be explained in detail, but some prior basic knowledge of the software used will be really helpful. So I hope to see you there in the course. Thank you.